Moving on to the big news just coming in, another molestation case has been reported from Udupi, and this time around it is understood that the accused is a headmaster and he has been arrested for molesting a 14-year-old. This is in Karkala. The accused has been identified as Venkatarama Kalkura and he has been taken into custody. This man has been working as the headmaster of Shivpura Government Higher Primary School. And yet another molestation case, and this time shockingly the headmaster is responsible. My colleague Arun joins us over the phone lines with more details. Arun, even as we're yet to get over what took place with the 6-year-old girl within a school campus, the headmaster turning out to be a monster there in Udupi.
That's right, Akshita. What is extremely gut-wrenching is that apparently he was not the only person. In fact, there seems to have been some kind of a racket also, because besides the headmaster Venkatraram Kalkura, the Gram Panchayat president, one person by name Suresh Shetty, and the Hindi teacher Hemavati have also been arrested, and they have been picked up by the Karkala police. Now, apparently, this instance of sexual harassment and molestation seem to have been going on for the last, believe it or not, 7 months. And she had even gone to the extent of telling the Hindi teacher and the Gram Panchayat president, Suresh Shetty, about the fact that the headmaster was sexually harassing her. And despite the fact that they were in the know of it, no action was forthcoming, and that's the reason why the police decided, the police ASI by name Annamalai has taken the decision that he will arrest, and he has arrested all the three of them. That is the headmaster of the school, Venkatraram Kalkura, then the Gram Panchayat president Suresh Shetty, and the Hindi teacher Hemavati.
Right.
These were considered as silent spectators, so that's the reason why they have been picked up for questioning, and they have been arrested in this particular case, Akshita.
Right, Arun. Thank you so much for joining us with all those details. Yet another shocker coming to light, this time from Udupi. The headmaster has been arrested. Besides that, the Panchayat president as well as a Hindi teacher from the school, it is understood that they were in connivance, and for the last 7 months this girl was being tortured.